footage you are about to see is about as menacingly disturbing as it may seem. As for all the clay people of my country, though I do not pay attention to this country much, this is a matter of time as the entity B747.1 is loose. You can catch glimpses of photos of it mercilessly killing people and footage of it, including the laboratory that it was in. It attacked the laboratory in Livewood County, which is not even that big, but pretty big to the population. As you can see by this clip, the massive black spider with the funny mask thing is B747. It is able to tear through metal and carcass. This machine is more powerful than you could ever imagine towards a clay body. This factory has tried to fight back against it, but has lost. Another few lives have lost to this monster. If only the security was strong enough to actually contain it back in Riverdale, 4 minutes walk away. This machine, created in 1974, has been made not just crankily, but also spiritually. This machine is very dangerous and carcassful. Viewers' discretion could be advised when the video is played and or discovered. Resident Michael Stanford, a yellow clay person who was being operated on by Viktor Vaznosh from Russia. He was mercilessly killed by the creature. What you are about to see is one of the most traumatizing footages of life ever. Viewer discretion is advised.